Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I made chicken fajita nachos. I think you're going to love them. I kind of copied the recipe from the Chili's restaurant and it turned out delicious. It's step by step, very simple to make. So I hope you give it a try and come back and see all my other great videos. And don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell. You'll get all notifications for all my new recipes. I'm going to try to put on some party foods, and I already have a lot of soups on that I think you would love. So let's get started. So we're going to make chicken fajita nachos. We're going to start with some oil. Okay. Now we're going to add, we're only going to saute these for about 5 minutes. Sweet peppers. And an onion. Soften it up a little bit. Somewhere around 5 minutes, we're going to just brown some. We're just going to saute them about 5 minutes. Soften them up a little bit. And beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, so that should be pretty good. That's about 5 minutes. See what it looks like. We're going to put them in this bowl, like this. Just take them out from the bowl. A fajita seasoning. Okay, stir that up. Put in a tablespoon of water. Set that to the side while we fry up the chicken. Should take about 7 to 10 minutes. I'll take one chicken breast and I'm going to cut it up in little slices. A little bit of water on here. Some fajita. That's fajita seasoning onto the chicken. I'll put about a tablespoon of water. Make it a little broth. So that was about a tablespoon of fajita seasoning and a tablespoon of water. So we can turn it like liquid. I just fry some more. Okay, we're going to take 4 cups of tortilla chips, put them in a baking dish, and we're going to top the chips with the peppers and onions we sauteed. And we're going to put on chicken, cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, jalapeno peppers, seeded and thinly sliced. We're going to take all this and put it under the broiler for about 2 to 4 minutes until all the cheese melts. Okay, under the broiler it goes till the cheese melts. Delicious. We added the sour cream, shredded lettuce, and the salsa. Let's eat.